Hey, did you know that small changes in your daily habits can completely transform the health of your nerves and muscles? Yes, we're talking about the foundation that supports your body, drives your emotions, your movements, and even your mental performance. Today, I'm going to share with you the 5 ultimate tips to care for this incredible system and ensure a well-being that goes way beyond what you might expect. So stick around until the end, because we've got some powerful insights coming your way. Let's dive in. Taking care of your nerves and muscles is essential not only to prevent future problems, but also to improve the quality of your life right now. They form a kind of electric network in your body, enabling you to move, think, feel, and react. But to keep this system working like clockwork, you need to adopt some simple, yet incredibly effective measures. Ready for the first tip? Starting with the foundation, diet. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat, right? Well, what you put on your plate directly impacts your nervous and muscular health. Here's the golden rule. Focus on foods rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, potassium, B vitamins, and omega-3s. Examples? Spinach, bananas, nuts, fatty fish like salmon and sardines, and eggs are true superfoods for your nervous system. And don't forget about healthy carbs like oatmeal and sweet potatoes. These provide the energy needed to keep your brain and muscles performing at their best. Next tip, drink water. It may sound basic, but it's vital. Our bodies are made up of about 70% water, and it's essential for transporting nutrients and maintaining communication between nerve cells. Ever had that headache after hours without drinking water? That's a sign of dehydration impacting your brain. Ideally, aim to drink at least 64 ounces of water a day, though this can vary based on your activity level and the climate. A great tip is to always carry a water bottle with you, so you never forget to stay hydrated. Now it's time to get moving. Physical activity is one of the best allies for nerve and muscle health. When you exercise, blood flow increases, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your brain and muscle tissues. Plus, regular exercise stimulates the production of endorphins, which help reduce stress and boost your mood. Pick an activity you love, whether it's walking, swimming, strength training, or even dancing. The key is to move your body for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. And don't forget to stretch before and after exercise to avoid injuries. Sleep is just as important as eating or staying hydrated. During sleep, your body performs a true reset, repairing damage, consolidating memories, and strengthening your nervous system. Did you know adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night? But it's not just about quantity. Quality matters too. Establish a sleep routine, avoid screens at least an hour before bed, and keep your bedroom dark and quiet. Here's a fun fact. Poor sleep can even affect your physical performance, so take your rest as seriously as you take your diet. Finally, let's talk about a major villain, chronic stress. It can impact your memory, concentration, and even cause muscle pain. Nobody is immune to stress, but you can learn to manage it. Relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or even a good laugh can work wonders for your body and mind. Take some time each day to do something you love, whether it's listening to music, reading a book, or spending time with friends and family. Remember, taking care of your emotional well-being is just as important as looking after your physical health. And as an extra tip, I've left links in the video description to excellent supplements that help improve nerve and muscle health. Check them out. So, there you have it. See how simple it is to care for your nerves and muscles, with just a few changes to your daily routine? Nutrition, hydration, exercise, sleep, and stress management. 5 easy steps that make a huge difference in your quality of life. By adopting these tips, you'll be investing in the health of your brain and nervous system, ensuring more energy, focus, and well-being. But don't forget, always consult a healthcare professional for proper and personalized guidance. Now it's your turn. How about starting to put these tips into practice today? Drop a comment below with your thoughts and share this video with anyone who could benefit from this information. See you in the next video. Bye.